Today I decided to focus my attention on one painting, acrylic on wood panel. I wanted to keep studying the gray, yellow, and white. I decided to do a floral. It's an inspiration from a thumbnail that I had done a while back. Let me show you. Here's the original thumbnail. It's very loose. It's kind of a hybrid between this and this other piece that I had made. I wanted to have a gray background for a softer feel with pops of yellow and keep the painting very minimalistic. I'm not sure that I fully succeeded. I think the black contour line that is very strong takes away from that minimal feel that I was looking for. I was hoping to get a thinner line like this. This is graphite on gesso. So when you draw with graphite on gesso, there's no problems, but when you try to put graphite on acrylic, it doesn't really work because acrylic gets very glossy and plasticky, so the graphite won't really stick to it. My alternative was to try with Conte crayon and with charcoal, but it gave a thicker, rougher line. So the thick black line, I'm not sure about, but as I've said so many times, judging right as I'm done with a piece is not very representative of my full opinion on the piece, because a few days later I might fall in love with it. So I just don't know. It's not what I intended to do, but I can't say that I really dislike it that much. I'm kind of like, I'm unsure right now. What I love about this piece is the general composition. I like the pops of yellow. I like that I kept some white. And I really like the shade of gray that I use as a background. I think that because this is made on wood panel, something interesting could be to sand everything down to have like a faded look to the painting. That could be something that I try in the future, see what that gives. Overall, if I compare both pieces, this and this, I think that they both hold their own in very different ways. I'm gonna have to let it simmer for a few days, not think about it, and at some point it will gel one way or the other. I'll see you in the comments. Come back tomorrow for another day in the studio. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.